Before any neurotransmitter is sent, the neuron is in resting potential, which is a presynaptic neuron.
First, the neurotransmitters are received by the dendritic spines, which are represented by the nerds. The neurotransmitters are the substances that send information across the synaptic gap.
It makes its way down the dendrite, the branching extensions that receive messages and conduct impulses towards the cell body, represented by the Twizzlers.
Next, it passes the soma, represented by the fruit roll-up. The soma includes the nucleus, which produces substances for growth and maintenance. The nucleus is shown as a lifesaver gummy with a skittle in the middle.
It is sent to the axon, which carries the information through the myelin sheath, which protects and insulates the axon. The spaces between the myelin sheath are known as the nodes of Donlevie.
Next, it is received by the axon terminals, which are shown as the skittles at the ends of the axons. The axon terminals contain vesicles that store neurotransmitters.
The neurotransmitter is sent across the synaptic gap, the space between the axon terminals and the dendritic spines, and is received at the receptor sites of the next neuron's dendrites. This is known as the postsynaptic neuron.
When the neuron is firing impulses down its axon, this is referred to as action potential. During the action potential, if the threshold is met, the neuron will fire at the same level of intensity, which is maintained throughout the process. This is known as all or none principle.
When an impulse is received, it raises the neuron's voltage, which opens the ion channels and releases potassium ions while sodium ions flow in, resulting in a positively charged neuron. This process is known as depolarization.
There is an abundance of neurotransmitters in the synaptic gap. Some of them are reabsorbed by the axon terminals. This process is called reuptake and is a method used to clear the synaptic gap.